Hello everyone. We will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and after this, take the first section, pull it through the second section as such. This will make it look like a twist. Adjust the twist at the back after losing the second section slightly. Take the rest of the hair that is remaining, divide it into two sections, wrap it around the other two sections that you have created. Once more, repeat the step that you had initially done in the second step. Tie a low ponytail at the base of the scalp as such, add a rubber band in the middle section of it, roll it all up into a bun, and then use bobby pins in order to fasten it all in its place as such. Take multiple decorative pins and then insert it in different areas of your hairstyle. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. After tying the ponytail, add a small little bump on the last end of it. Now, take the rest of the hair, add a rubber band to the end of it, make a gap in the middle, roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the bun you have created, and slightly loosen the ends and the side of it as such. After you have loosened the sides, this is what it should look like. Fasten it in place using any sort of pin, such as a bobby pin. Bring it up through the other side. You may also use a rubber band in order to fasten it in its place. After this, you may take a four-prong pin and then insert it into place through the side as such. This is what the final look should look like. Loosen the ends of it as such. Loosen out the top as well to give it more of an aesthetic appeal. This will be the final look. Next, we will take two sections of the hair from either side of the scalp, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Repeat the same step and then roll the second section in on itself as well. Repeat the step once more. Once you reach the base of the scalp, loosen out the sides of the top sections that you have created using your fingers. This will add more volume to the hair. Taking the bottom portion of the hair, make a braid out of the hair as such. Once you have made your braid, roll it up into a bun as such. Insert it underneath the scalp as such. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. And once you are done with this, add these star-shaped pins in order to make it look all the more aesthetically appealing. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself as such. Divide the rest of the hair into two parts, braid both these parts, and then roll it into, starting from the left side, into the right side top section as such until all of the sections are done with. Add a clip in order to fasten it in its place on either side as such. Now take the right braid and do the same with the left section on the top as such. Roll it up until none of the sections are left out, and then take two clips, insert it on either side of the scalp as such. Now, once you are done with this will be the final look of the hair. For our next hairdo, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side and tying it up at the back. Roll the section of the hair in on itself, add a rubber band in the middle section. Once more, roll this section of the hair in on itself as well. Pull it through the top section you have created. Now take the bottom of the hair, divide it into two parts, twist it one on top of the other as such. After this, twist the hair into a bun. After you have twisted the hair into a bun, wrap it around and then use pins in order to fasten it in its place. Make sure that you use pins on either side as it may tend to fall off otherwise. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten this entire bun in place and make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Next, we will start off by gathering the hair together, then wrap the hair around the finger as such, make it into a bun shape and then twist it in order to do so. After you have done this, add a decorative clip on top of this. Thank you for watching.